Hello students, today in the fourth lecture of Structure of Atom, we are going to discuss about a very important concept, and that is electromagnetic spectrum and Maxwell's electromagnetic theory. Now, let's start off with the very first question. What is electromagnetic wave? Okay, now when you're talking about Maxwell's electromagnetic theory, we are absolutely dealing with electromagnetic waves. And the question comes, what are electromagnetic waves? Then remember, electromagnetic waves are the waves in which electric field and magnetic field travel simultaneously. Okay, दोनों एक साथ travel करेंगे and both of them would be perpendicular to each other. Okay, that means the angle between both of them is 90 degree. So just to elaborate and just to make you understand, the diagram of an electromagnetic wave is somewhat like this. Over here, check karo. Let's suppose the red waves is the electric field and the blue wave is the magnetic field. So both of them are traveling simultaneously in the same direction and they are traveling at right angles. So how we would define electromagnetic waves? These are waves in which electric field and magnetic field travel simultaneously at right angles. Okay, now what exactly is Maxwell's electromagnetic theory? Let's understand that. In Maxwell's electronic theory, the very first point, Maxwell ने क्या बोला? That whenever you have a particle which is accelerated at very high speeds or which is moving at a very high speed, this particle will radiate energy. And this energy would be radiated in form of electromagnetic radiations or electromagnetic waves. Point number 2, the most important point, the energy lost is in continuous manner. So now, what do you mean by this? This means कि अगर मुझे energy exchange manipulate करना है, that means if I want to increase energy or decrease energy, I need to change the amplitude. Okay, actually take a very simple example. Let's suppose you are kept in a room with a normal yellow lamp. Okay, and in the second case, you are kept in a room which contains halogen. Okay, in both the cases, you still have the light or you still have the lamp which is yellow or which is radiating yellow radiations. But in the case of halogen, you would feel बहुत ज़्यादा temperature हो गया room का, या you will start feeling hot over there. ऐसा क्यों? Because दोनों जगह energy manipulation कम ज़्यादा हो रहा है. In case of an yellow lamp, he is radiating less amount of energy. But in case of an halogen, he is radiating large amount of energy. मतलब उस जगह energy का amplitude, the wave का amplitude बहुत ज़्यादा है. Okay, now moving on further, we discussed about words like wavelength, frequency, amplitudes, and you have already done this in your lower grade. But एक बार काम करता है. We'll just revise all the stuffs over here. Okay, so what are the properties of electromagnetic waves? Yeah, what are the properties of waves? Let's suppose I have a wave something like this. Okay, Achha, in this, the very first thing what we can understand is the wavelength. Okay, now what do you mean by wavelength? Wavelength is the distance between two consecutive crests or two consecutive troughs. Meaning, achha check karo, yahan pe, can I say the arrow that you can see, the very first arrow between two consecutive crest or two consecutive trough is nothing but wavelength. So yahan pe ek wavelength aa gaya. The distance between two consecutive crest and two consecutive trough दोनों जगह सेम है. तो either तुम crest का difference ले लो या trough का difference ले लो या distance ले लो. In this case, you would be referring it as a wavelength. Okay. Similarly, what do you mean by the next word, that is amplitude? Now, amplitude is the maximum or minimum displacement of the particle. Okay. Check karo. In this wave, if you observe, can I say in the first case, this becomes my amplitude. Why? Because it's a maximum displacement over here. Okay, so either you can go on with the maximum displacement, मतलब सबसे ऊपर वाला point या सबसे नीचे वाला point. In both the cases, this would be referred as amplitude. Similarly, what do you mean by frequency? The very important topic. Frequency is number of oscillations per unit time. मतलब एक particle कितनी तेजी से move कर रहा है within one given second. Let's assume right now, our particle, whatever we are discussing about, is moving one oscillation per unit time, that is per second. So, can I say for the particle that we are discussing right now, frequency mu is nothing but 1 upon time because he's just moving or he's just making one oscillation. वो सिर्फ एक बार कहीं पे जाके वापस आ रहा है. So this is only one oscillation, and because he is making only one oscillation, we have assumed that. So frequency becomes 1 upon t. अच्छा, frequency is denoted by the letter mu. Similarly, wavelength is denoted by the letter lambda, and amplitude का कोई denotation नहीं होता. Okay, one more thing. What do you mean by wave number? Now, wave number is the reciprocal of wavelength. Meaning, wavelength is lambda, तो इसका reciprocal क्या होगा? The reciprocal of lambda, that is 1 upon lambda, would be referred as wave number. And wave number is denoted as V dash or V bar. Okay, so just remember, wave number, इसका meaning क्या है? It's nothing but just a reciprocal of wavelength. That's it. Okay, moving on further, let's understand one more thing. Okay, this is kind of interesting. Let's see. Whenever I talk about speed, we know speed is nothing but distance traveled upon time taken. Okay, so over here, if I'm talking about the speed of a wave, can I say distance traveled is nothing but lambda, which is nothing but wavelength? Okay, upon time t. Perfect. Okay, can I manipulate this equation and I can rewrite this same equation as lambda into 1 by t. Okay, and अभी just last slide में हम लोग ने देखा ना 1 by t is nothing but what? 1 by t is nothing but frequency. Therefore, can I say speed, that is c, is equal to lambda into mu, where the speed is always constant for an electromagnetic radiation, and that constant is nothing but speed of light, 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Remember this equation as your bread and butter equation, or a very important equation for solving problems. Equation क्या है? Speed of light or speed of electromagnetic radiation, c, is equal to lambda into mu, and c always remains constant, which is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. I hope whatever we have learned about Maxwell's electromagnetic theory is clear up till this point. In the next session, we will be dealing about the solving of problems. How would you apply this equation for solving the problem?